Jerome Powell made an important statement last week. He said that the US Fed rates will remain in zero for a very long time, and there is no question of increasing interest rates. Welcome back to Be Rich. He predicts that the American economy will have a severe recession, and he expects the American economy to contract in excess of 6% this year. He expects the year end unemployment to be 9.3% from the current 14%. He says in 2 months, we went from an economy which had record employment to a economy which has record unemployment. He expects millions of people to be out of work, and even those who find work will not find work at the same level which they did last year before the pandemic broke down. He expects that the pandemic will be one of the four great shocks of the last 150 years. He feels that the pandemic will affect the economy so badly, the impact will be at least twice that of what happened in 2008. Economists have reacted violently to this. They believe that the dollar will crash and continue to decline in value. The Fed is determined to continue to keep interest rates low by printing and buying any amount of US treasuries. If US treasuries are low, this will force investors to take money away from bonds and put money into riskier assets such as stock markets. And this is one of the reasons why all emerging economy stocks have lifted in the recent times. This means that the Fed could also cap the interest rates at which they will allow the bonds to rise, a tool which they have not used since World War II. Economists predict that if the recession continues next year, they will not, even at 2022, the interest rates will be as low as they are. In fact, they are called for negative rates, discouraging banks for keeping money in the Fed, which they have done. But however much Jerome Powell may try, people are not going to borrow to spend. Banks can provide liquidity, cannot provide solvency. Solvency has to come by either the sovereign taking risk or stimulating demand, both of which look very difficult. The only time this will get even remotely solved is by the time that they find a vaccine and they are able to inoculate most of the population. Till then, wave after waves of infection will make sure that the American economy and therefore the world economy will be under continuous stress. This kind of massive printing will lead to leakage of money and into riskier assets which will be valued way above normal. Only thing that can be certainly said is that the gold will continue to rally for some time to come. I predicted in India in my lifetime gold will hit 10,000 a gram, rupees a gram, and I am certain it will do in a couple of decades. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. If you buy my books, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below. At the very end, if you want to contact me directly, kindly send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com.